How to start an LLC in Arizona. Starting a limited liability company in Arizona is a straightforward process that offers numerous benefits, including personal liability protection and flexible management structures. This guide outlines 7 essential steps to help you successfully establish your LLC, ensuring compliance with state regulations and setting a solid foundation for your business. Choose a name for your LLC. Selecting a suitable name for your LLC is crucial as it represents your business identity. The name must be unique and distinguishable from existing entities in Arizona. Ensure it includes LCC or Limited Liability Company at the end. To confirm availability, utilize Arizona Corporation Commission's Business Entity Search tool. Consider also checking domain availability if you plan to establish an online presence. Appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is responsible for receiving legal documents and official notices on behalf of your LLC. This agent must be a resident of Arizona or a business entity authorized to conduct business in the state. The agent's physical address must be provided in the Articles of Organization, and they should be available during regular business hours to ensure timely receipt of important documents. File Articles of Organization. The Articles of Organization is the key document that officially establishes your LLC in Arizona. You can file this document online, by mail, or in person at the Arizona Corporation Commission. The filing fee is $50 and you must provide essential information such as the LLC's name, registered agent details, and whether it will be managed by members or managers. Once approved, your LLC will be recognized as a legal entity. Complete the publication requirement. Arizona law requires newly formed LLC to publish a notice of their formation in a newspaper that circulates in the county where the LLC is located for 3 consecutive weeks. This publication must include specific information about your LLC, such as its name and principal address. After completing this requirement, you will need to obtain an affidavit from the newspaper as proof of publication, which may be required for your records or future filings. Create an operating agreement. While not mandated by law, an operating agreement is highly beneficial for any LLC. This internal document outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, and operational procedures of your business. It helps clarify member roles and can prevent disputes among owners by establishing clear guidelines for decision-making processes and profit distribution. Having an operation agreement also adds credibility to your LLC and can be useful when dealing with banks or investors. Obtain an Employer Identification Number or EIN. An Employer Identification Number is essential for tax purposes and is required if your LLC has more than one member or plans to hire employees. You can apply for an EIN through the IRS website at no cost, completing the application online for immediate issuance. This number serves as your business's federal tax ID and is necessary for opening a business bank account, filing taxes, and fulfilling other financial obligations. File additional reports if necessary. Depending on your business activities and structure, you may need to file additional reports or applications after forming your LLC. For example, if you plan to operate under a different name, you will need to register that name with the county records office. Additionally, if your LLC will have employees or engage in certain regulated activities, you may need specific licenses or permits at local or state levels. Always check local regulations to ensure compliance with all requirements. By following these steps, you can efficiently establish your LLC in Arizona, ensuring compliance and protecting your personal assets. With a solid foundation in place, you can focus on growing your business and achieving your entrepreneurial goals. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.